Today, I will show you how to trim and extend lines in AutoCAD like a pro. Struggling to get lines to connect perfectly? This is the video for you. Let's jump in and take a shot. Firstly, let's look at the extend command. We can access the extend command in two ways. Either by typing in extend on your keyboard. Once you press enter, you'll be prompted to select the object you want to extend. For example, we want to extend this, you just click on the object, it's going to extend. And you want to extend this, is going to extend. Another way of using the extend command is by moving to your home tab and driving to this icon here. You are going to click on the drop down menu beside the icon and you choose the extend command. And now you can complete extending. To access the trim command, you can type in trim on your keyboard and press enter. Once you press enter, you'll be prompted to select a line which you want to trim. For example, we want to trim up this and we might want to trim up this. Another way of accessing the extend command is by moving to the home tab and navigating to this icon here. You click the drop down menu and you choose trim. So you can trim even this object. So you can trim this, you can trim off this. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tricks. See you in the next video.